Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making some Italian almond cookies that, oh my gosh, they're so delicious. They're chewy and fragrant. In Sicily, they're very popular. And I posted a similar recipe a year and a half ago with actually maraschino cherry, so check that one out if you like. But for now, let's get started. They're so easy to make. I simply mix some fine almond flour, sugar, and orange or lemon zest. I give it a good mix. In a separate bowl, I whisk 2 egg whites with a teaspoon of vanilla extract until the mixture becomes foamy. Then I pour it with the dry ingredients and I stir it with a spoon. It needs to be evenly distributed. The dough will eventually look just like this. Alright, at this point you can start making the almond cookies. I use just over a tablespoon of dough and I roll it into my palms to make a ball. Then I roll it into a plate with some icing sugar, and if you want you can remove a little bit the excess, just like this. Then I set it in a pan with a cooking sheet or parchment paper. I repeat the same step for the remaining dough, and you should get about 16-17 cookies. Lastly, if you like, as a decoration, you can add an almond on top of the cookies. Now, bake them in a preheated oven at 340 Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. When they will come out of the oven, they will be extremely soft, so just let them cool down for a little bit. And then you can dive in and enjoy these chewy Italian almond cookies. So good. The fact that they only have 3 main ingredients is just so amazing because you can prepare them so quickly, put them in the oven, and then you got some nice sweets that you can share with your family or keep to yourself. They're just so amazing. So I really hope you're gonna try it out. Please leave a thumbs up if you actually like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel for new weekly recipes. Bye guys, see you next time.